Hello guys,
Hi!
welcome back to our channel.
We're really excited to show you this video because it is our bedroom makeover. Yay! We've been wanting to do this for so long. It was actually supposed to be our first video,
yeah.
but we didn't end up finishing it. Like, we went to shops, we went to IKEA, bought some furnitures and got tired of it, so we didn't end up doing it. So we finally decided to do it. I think we got it done in about 2 days.
Yeah, we didn't have much knowledge of editing as well.
Yeah.
So we just shot it and then just left it.
Yeah, and then did other things, and now we finally decided to finish it, and we are really excited to show you how our bedroom turned out. Like, it was initially really dull and there was nothing.
It was lifeless.
Yeah, there was just bed and wardrobe, and that's it. There was nothing else. So we hope you like this video. Do subscribe to our channel
And like.
Yes,
And don't forget to press the bell icon.
Yeah, and stay and watch the video to see how our bedroom turned out. So guys, we finally decided to assemble this drawer that we got from IKEA 2 weeks ago.
2 weeks ago, yeah.
Yeah, if you want to know which one, do watch our first video.
I'll put that somewhere around here.
Yeah, or there.
Or maybe there.
Yeah.
Could be anyway.
Yeah.
We finally decided to assemble this.
Yeah.
Actually, I decided to finally assemble it.
Yeah.
It's always my job.
Yes. Ever since we moved to this place, he's done about 5 furnitures, including a wardrobe. There was another drawer. This entertainment unit behind us, which was the worst.
Yeah, and the manual was...
Yeah.
There was instructions, but no numbers.
Yeah.
I had to figure out what to do next by looking at how it looks 2 or 3 steps later.
And it took ages. So I hope it doesn't take ages today because he's already got a lot of practice.
Yeah, I'm the expert.
Yeah. So if you guys want to know how to assemble any furniture of IKEA, he's the man. While he does it, I'm gonna go make him some tea to make sure he's in a good mood.
To energize me.
Yeah, to keep him motivated.
To keep him motivated.
Yes. So make sure you guys stick around and watch the video. If you have any questions regarding furniture or the cost or anything that we've mentioned,
you can write it down below in the comment section.
Yeah, just make sure you pop down in the comments below so we can answer them. And yeah, just watch the video.
The secret ingredient for a perfect assembly is a toolbox.
Ta-da! It's done!
Yay!
So proud of you, baby.
Thank you.
So proud of you.
She helped me a lot.
I know, I do. I cooked.
So there you go, guys. That's the final look. There we have fairy lights, and that's our bed. It's neat and tidy, all clean bed sheet. And that's Abby's dressing table. She's got glasses, her brushes, candle, and then that's my perfumes. That's her perfumes. And there we've got a hanging thing. We've got a grass, and we've also got fairy light. We've got fairy light everywhere. We've got pots. Got a candle. That's just storage. We've got different things there. And that's the main thing. That's our fake plant. We love fake plants. That's it, guys. That's it, guys. That's the end of the video. Hope you guys liked it. If you guys liked it, hit the like button, share, and also subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. And
Keep watching us.
all day, all night. If you've got any suggestions, pop it down the comment section below.
Yeah. See you guys. See you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.